Hi everyone, and welcome to the 5-minute sit breaker. This is a very basic movement pattern that can make a big difference to your overall physical health. Now, we've already discussed in more detail some of the bad things that happen to your health when you sit for long periods. But when you interrupt the sitting pattern of watching TV or simply sitting at your desk in your office, this simple basic movement session will help counteract the impact of sitting too long. If you want to live a longer and healthier life, believe it or not, this is a giant step in the right direction. Give it a try. So I'm going to show you some of the basic movements. They're pretty simple. We can add on by adding extra arms. And for your information, whenever we bring our arms above our head, start moving them in an upward direction, we're actually increasing our heart rates. So we're getting more circulation or more bang for your buck, however you want to look at that. But anyways, so we're going to keep it simple because we want you to be able to get up from the couch or wherever you are and just do this without having to turn on a video. And I just want to give you enough information so you can work on your own. First thing we're going to do is actually march in place. So we're going to march, and it's up to you how much intensity you want to put in this. You can just keep it very, very simple. I would suggest that you do lift your knees as high as you can comfortably, and the beginning walk, I want you to really add those arms, okay? So we're going to count to 8. And the 8 count is not for every arm movement, it's every second one. So it's going to be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're taking it up. 2 and 4 and 6 and 8. We're going to add circular patterns, and again, depending on the intensity, you can use small circles. But if you really want to work at it, I want to see big ones. So we're marching, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's recount that first cycle. So we're going to march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're going to go to a very small knee bend. And I mean small. A couple things. When you bend your knees, I don't want to see them going over the front of your leg. We want to sit back a little bit. And it's not going to be big. So it's just enough so that you can actually touch your knee. So it's down. It's like a little squat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now, depending again on your level of comfort, you can stay with this, or you can actually add that reach. And if you can do that, that would be awesome. So you do 8 of those. The very last section, we're going to add a little dynamic by bringing the knee up. Okay? Bringing that knee up is going to activate your core as well, so keep your back flat. And as we move forward in different series, we're going to get into all that technical stuff This is just to get you off the couch. So you just want to lift the knee, and we're going to add some big arms. The arms are going to go over. You want that big dynamic movement of the arms. Now, if this is getting your heart rate too high, you can take it down, or you can just bring the knees up with a little momentum. Here, let's put it together, okay? From the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our circles. 2, 3. Make them as big or as little as you like. And we're going to go into knee bends. Keep it soft. Get that bum out behind you. And we're going to stay for another round. We'll go 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So we're going to move the knees upward. And you can just do this. But ideally, you want big arm movements.